Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all winter liquid diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 2 kgs in 7 days very quickly. Now recently my lots of clients followed this type of diet plan every other week and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we can start your weight loss journey with me and begin the weight loss diet plans. So without any delay, let's get started with winter liquid diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 2 kgs in 7 days very quickly. Starting with the early morning drink, which comes right after you wake up. You're supposed to have this drink, which is also known as a diuretic water. Now I'll give you two options here because it's winter season. Of course, we'll be having something warm in our diuretic water. The first option is you can have a fat cutter drink. Now this basically works amazing to boost your metabolism in the morning itself, to hydrate you super well in the morning and remove all the water retention, swelling and bloating from your body as well. The recipe is as simple as anything. All you have to do is take 1 glass of water, add stick of cinnamon, some long, which is cloves, and of course some ajwain as well. Now all of these ingredients you have to just simply boil it for 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go for your fat cutter drink. Works amazingly well. If you want some good taste along with it, you can also add just a pinch of honey to it, but skip as it is and you're good to go for your early morning drink. Now quickly let's proceed towards our second option for early morning drink, which would be simple plain lemon water. All you have to do is simply boil the veggies of lemon in 1 glass of water and have it sip by sip empty stomach. Now this basically detoxifies your body. Second, it provides a good hydration, and third, majorly it provides a good vitamin C boost also. So you can try out these recipes for your early morning drink. Now let's quickly proceed towards our breakfast options for liquid diet plan. Now I've already shared a recipe of ABC juice, which is apple, beetroot, carrot juice. Now this juice particularly works amazing because beetroot, carrot, all of these fruits are very freshly available in the winter season, and it works amazingly well to boost your collagen in the skin benefits, and loaded with anti-cancer properties, and is a nutritional powerhouse which contains lots of vitamins and minerals like folate, potassium, manganese, iron, and definitely boosts your energy to the next level. So make sure you're having this juice at least once in a day and you're good to go for your winter season. Second option is, if you cannot have this juice for your morning, then of course you can have a warm glass of haldi milk, in which you can add fresh haldi also, which is amba haldi, or you can simply use some haldi or turmeric powder to it. Along with that, you can use any kind of milk. I preferably use almond milk. You can use cow's milk or skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, whatever you suited well. And along with that, you can have 1 apple also, or you can add 1 date to your milk also while boiling it, and you're good to go for your breakfast. It's a very anti-aging, boosts your immune system also, and definitely prevents you from cough, colds, and all the diseases that comes along with this season. So definitely try out this recipe for your breakfast. Now let's quickly proceed towards our mid-morning snack, which comes between our breakfast and lunch. If you do feel hunger pangs happening during this time, the best option for you would be to have either 1 glass of lassi or chas, which is very again seasonally possible for you. Do not freeze it out. You can just keep it outside at room temperature and you're good to go for your anti-inflammatory drink. Now this basically prevents any kind of inflammation in the body and works amazingly well for your weight loss also. Do not add any kind of salt or sugar to your buttermilk, which is chas or lassi, and you're good to go for your mid-morning snack. Second option is, if you cannot have this, you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, which gives you good benefits of antioxidant levels and definitely helps you with belly fat loss also. So you can try out these recipes for your mid-morning snack. Now quickly let's proceed towards our lunch options. Of course, it's a detox kind of a plan, so definitely we'll keep it low in calories but good for your overall satiatedness as well. So for lunch, I'll be giving you 2 options here. The first option is my personal favorite, for which you can have a simple yet very nutritious bowl of khichdi. I know it's not a complete liquid option for you, but dilute it as much as you can and you're good to go for your lunch. We'll only have approximately 200 grams of cooked khichdi. More dal, very little rice should be the key here. Now I have lots and lots of khichdi recipes on my channel. You can dilute it as per your own choice, but you're good to go for your lunch. Suits very well in this season, keeps you warm from inside, boosts your immune system as well, and great for your low calorie meal as well. So you're good to go for your lunch. Now second option is for all of those who want to stick to something which is very liquid in the nature and at the same time very quick to prepare as well. Now you can simply have a bowl of dal, which is homemade dal. Any dal would work fine in this. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of curd or homemade dahi. Along with that, you can have salad also, and you're good to go for your lunch. Now dal can be, of course, I always prefer to have moong dal because it's high in protein and less in carbs as well. So you're good to go for your lunch. Now let's quickly proceed towards our mid-evening snack option. If you do feel hunger pangs happening during this time, the best option for you would be to indulge into a cup of black tea, black coffee, or a cup of green tea, or you cannot have this and you can simply have peppermint tea as well. Now you're good to go for your mid-evening snack. Along with this, you can have some roasted makhanas, approximately 20 grams of roasted makhanas and not more than that. You're good to go for your mid-evening snack. Do not add any kind of salt to your makhana or sugar of any kind, and you're good to go for your mid-evening snack. Quickly, let's proceed towards our dinner option for winter liquid diet plan for weight loss, for which I'll be giving you two options here. The first option has to be everybody's favorite, and those who want to have it every single day can definitely incorporate in your diet. And I am talking about a soup. On my channel, I have lots and lots of soup recipes already uploaded on my channel, which is tomato zucchini soup, or you can have a tomato kia soup also, all veggie soup, or lemon coriander soup. Now these all soup recipes are very extremely low in carbs and great for your fat loss, and works amazingly well to boost your immune system as well. In winter season, you can definitely indulge yourself into these recipes and you're good to go for your fat loss journey. My personal favorite of these soups is tomato zucchini soup because it definitely is very fulfilling for the night as well, and is super yummy as well. All the winter vegetables are added into it and it tastes amazingly well. So do try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about these. Second option for our dinner would be, you can either repeat haldi milk with one date added to it. It's good to go for your immune system and definitely satiates you very well for the entire night. In milk, you can even add some oats if you like it so, or some muesli to fulfill it well, and you're good to go for your healthy liquid and a little sweet dinner. If not, then you can definitely prepare chia pudding. Now the complete recipe of my chia pudding is already up on my channel, which requires just 2 ingredients. All you have to do is soak 1/4 cup of chia seeds to approximately 200 ml of milk, and you're good to go for your dinner. High in protein, high in omega-3 fatty acids, and great for your weight loss in every manner. I have loaded it up with lots of fruits of your own choice. You can add it and you're good to go for your dinner. Satiates you very well and is super yummy in every manner. So do try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we'll quickly proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which is very mandatory when you're on a weight loss journey. Now this basically helps to boost your metabolism throughout the night and works amazingly well for your fat loss also. The first option of course has to be a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Works amazingly well for your fat loss and is definitely one of the best options you can have for your bedtime drink, because it helps you to boost your immunity throughout the winter season as well and keeps you calm throughout the night, and definitely relieves lots of stress also from your life. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And second option is, if not possible, then you can again switch to having your fat cutter drink which you had in the morning, and you can definitely store it as well to have it during this time. So definitely you can save some time and you're good to go for your fat cutter benefits throughout the night as well. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to help you release all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and great for your fat loss also. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and I'll be more than happy to help you in your weight loss journey and achieve your weight loss transformation. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about all of these recipes, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming diet plans, weight loss tips and tricks, how my clients reduce weight every single day. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.